trying to do this without putting my fingers in front of the camera. Getting wet. We're not exactly under a roof here. Oh, I'm getting dripped on. Hey, what always happens in Vegas right after it starts raining? You hear the sirens? God, listen to that thunder. Ooh, getting wet. Alright, well, I'm going to see if I've got enough sense to get in out of the rain. Ah, I got wet. Ooh, it's getting harder. Haven't seen the lightning yet, just hear the thunder. Nice last day to July. The monsoon season in Henderson, Nevada. Oh yeah. Say it's about 75, maybe 80 degrees. I'm actually a little chilly now that the rain's got me. Well, there's your weather report.